Bathroom Part 1 by eslkidsworld.com. A bathtub. A bathtub. He fills the bathtub with hot water. A bathrobe. A bathrobe. I have a bathrobe. A basket. A basket. I put my dirty clothes in the basket. A comb. A comb. My sister has a pink comb. A hairbrush. A hairbrush. The hairbrush is too spiky. A hairdryer. A hairdryer. The hairdryer is new. Lotion. Lotion. She needs hand lotion. A mirror. A mirror. I can see myself in the mirror. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Where can I buy mouthwash? A plunger. A plunger. I need to buy a new plunger. A razor. A razor. I forgot to pack my razor. Shampoo. Shampoo. What is your favorite shampoo? For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.